Hi guys, it's Jeff at Flange Racing. This video is about how to install a cylinder saver to protect your exhaust flange on your KTM or Husqvarna cylinder. And these fit from 2017 through 2021 models, 250s and 300s. And you can see we've cut them in blue. It's the nice dark blue like on Huskies, and orange. And when you first go to install these things and you look at it, because these holes are angled in here, and you first drop that on, it looks like there's no way in hell the holes are going to line up. And it looks like they're quite a ways off. But what you do is you just go ahead and tap it down to where it's on all the way on the cylinder. They're not flush here. There's still a little bit of a step here. Maybe a couple millimeters. But just get it down there in position. And then, of course, they're still not going to be lined up probably. You have to spin it a little bit like this. So it's best to take this bolt out first. This is just a pinch bolt. And take that out. Obviously I've already got the bolts in here, but take this pinch bolt out and maybe even stick a kind of a fat screwdriver in here and open this up just a little bit so that you can rotate it back and forth and get the holes lined up perfectly. So they definitely fit. They definitely don't look like they fit when you first drop them on, but they definitely do fit. There's not a lot of room for error. The holes are very precise. But just spread that little gap there with a screwdriver if you need to. Quite often you can just grab it by hand and rotate it, but if you need to, you can stick a screwdriver in there and spread it just a little bit, rotate it, get it drop down all the way. Stick at least one bolt in, and then maybe you'll have to spread this again and do just a little bit more to get the other bolt in, but that's all there is to it. And it definitely gives protection to your exhaust flange. You know, if you hit your pipe hard, it tends to blow a chunk out of this flange. And these flanges are a matched pair. Let's see, there should be a number over here. Yeah, if you look right there, so there's a number there and a number there. It's the same number. So what they do at the factory is they bolt this piece onto the cylinder, and then they come in with an end mill or however they do it, some type of a CNC bit, and they bore the holes through here to make sure that this piece and this piece have the same center on the hole. You can buy this flange separately from KTM, but it never fits right. You have to do a lot of work on them to make them even kind of half-ass fit on there. So your best solution is just to put the guard on there before you ever even ride the bike. And I don't know what the price point is on these, so it's all that information is on our website, slavenracing.com. If you have any questions, you're always welcome to call us. Phone number's on our site, or you can email us at info@slavenracing.com. And I think that's about all for now, guys. Get out and ride.